What's up everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today in this video I would like to show you how to delete the page on Microsoft PowerPoint, or how can you delete a slide on Microsoft PowerPoint. It's pretty much easy and simple steps. So let's begin our video. And guys, before starting our video, I would like to request you that if you are new here, please like and subscribe my channel. So there you can see I open a Microsoft PowerPoint, and now there have a 3 pages, 1 2 3, and if you want to delete any page, just select this page and then right click on your mouse, then you can see an option delete slide. Just click it. That's it. Now you can see on to 2 page, your page already deleted. So guys, in this way you can delete the slide on Microsoft PowerPoint very easily. So hope guys this video can help you. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you everyone for watching this video.